So it's tomorrow. Fifth Avenue, the movie, releases tomorrow. I know you've already gotten your ticket, but let someone else know about this and get a ticket for someone else. It's a beautiful Saturday, and today's Rhapsody Realities is a continuation of yesterday's topic, still dealing on fasting and the benefits of fasting. Desire, strong desire, is a prerequisite for change. If you want your life to move to the next level, then you have to desire the change. And this is one of the benefits of fasting. Today's Rhapsody Realities tells you more. I want you to become a partner with me in distributing millions of copies of Rhapsody Realities all around the world. And you can start up today by clicking on that link. And don't forget, Fifth Avenue releases tomorrow. Get your ticket. Have a great day. Love you. God bless you.